Check it out. We're in a whole other yard. We're in a yard in Pennsylvania, king of Prussia. And we got the crusher over here. They dismantled them over here. We got the tire freaking pile. Volkswagens. Dope. Yo, what's up, man? So we out here in the junkyard. Yo, I've been known to go junkyard from state to state. You know what I mean? So let's go see if we find some 5.0s, maybe Explorer or something. Some GT40 heads or something. I don't know. Let's see what's up. But this is cool, man. It's dope. This reminds me more of the yards of what I'm used to when I was a kid. You know, just raw. You know what I mean? Shorty's, junkyarddolls.com. All right. All right. Let's see what we got. Doesn't look super organized. It's not like that one that we just went to in Nevada, but it's tight though. I like it. It's clean. It's clean enough to lay on the ground. And they also said that if I needed anything, they'll come take it out for me. Oh look, we got a Fox over here. We got an SA95. Suspension all the way took out. Oh, we got a Fox. It's an LX. And it's that front fascia looks pretty good. It's nice. It's a 4-cylinder. It's been picked pretty good. Not much going on that. Let's see what's going on here with this. That's at 95. Still got the rear end in it. It's automatic. Oh, we got a turn over here. Let's go see what's going on over here. Another Mustang. This is a V6. I can tell by the bumper. It's automatic too. Oh shoot. Oh, got a Mercury. What did I tell you? Yeah. Okay. Yup. GT40 intake. P heads. We in there, son. Alright. So we found at least one set of GT40 P heads and a GT40 intake, non-EGR. Let's see what else we can come up with. Let's move it on here. It's dope. It's crazy. I came to a small yard in Pennsylvania and still managed to find some GT40Ps, man. It's hilarious, bro. Oh, yeah. I love Junkyard Doggin, man. From state to state. This looks like all Chevys over here. Got a Chevy down here. It looks like it might have a 5.3 in it. That probably had a 6.0 at some point, and somebody got a hold of it. There's the Tahoe right here. Yup. Got the LS motor in there for you LS guys. Computer harness is uncut. Everything's there. According to the code, that's a T, I think. Yeah, that's T. So it's a 5.3. You can still get like 400 horses out of that. Yeah, look. We got another LS motor in there in the cut. That's a 5.32. That's what's up. No computer though. Harness has been cut up. Alright. We're over here in the Dodge section and the foreign section now. Let's see if we find something. Oh. They had the Hemi. Somebody got a hold of the Hemi. You know. Yep, damn Hemi. We got A couple females back here. This is wild, yo. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, man. Came to Shorty's and checked it out. And it was crazy, like I said. There was a fox in here, and there was GT40P heads, and a GT40 90GR intake. So, for those of you local to New York, New Jersey, Pennsylvania, East Pennsylvania, yeah, come and get them. So I don't know if you can see it or not, but we're at Shorty's U-Pull-It self-service used auto parts in King of Prussia, Pennsylvania. You know what I mean? So you guys had to know I was going to hit a junkyard out here. I was just going to come out for the Formula D event. So yeah, man, it's dope. You know what I mean? So anybody who lives in the local area, make sure you come get this stuff. All right, Junkyard doggin'.